Hello, my name is Natalia, and welcome to my YouTube channel for Chromatic Nature. Chromatic Nature is my small batch, organic, naturally dyed clothing company. On this YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how I use natural dyes to create my products. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this tie-dye pattern. I did it as a sports bra and also for a leggings. These items are in my shop right now, and also this tank top, which I put two different designs on the front and on the back. So I'll show you how that happened. So this video, I'm just showing you the fun parts of the tying and untying of the tie-dyes. If you want to see a step-by-step process of how to dye with madder root, watch my video titled Dyeing with Madder Root.
Okay, starting with the leggings, folding them from the top and trying to make as uniform of folds as I can. I'm also trying to keep the whole row straight so that I can rubber band it together and not have it collapse like Jenga. Rubber band is on. Gotta straighten out some of these layers so they're all sticking out about the same and nothing is just like squished on the inside. Then adding a second rubber band, because if the rubber band breaks in the wad, then everything's gonna be ruined. And the other side, trying to do the exact same thing, trying to make approximately the same number of folds, comparing the two sides to make sure at least the end is folded in the same direction, rubber banding that. Yeah, and then just fussing with it a lot to make it as uniform as I can. Tie-dyes never come out perfectly uniform, but if you're trying to make a garment that is symmetrical on both sides, then you gotta do everything you can so it doesn't just come out looking lopsided. And there we go, leggings are done. Sports bra next. So I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing, except the straps need to be really finessed so that they can kind of line up with the side so that a one rubber band can catch all the folds. Trying to do the other side the same way with the same number of folds, because on a small garment it will be even more obvious if they're not even on each side. And done. Alright, so for the tank top, see what I'm doing? I folded it on the center back and center front instead of on the sides, so that I can work on the front and on the back separately. This side I'm just doing kind of like I did with the leggings and the sports bra, but in the middle. So that same pattern that's on the sides of those garments should be in the middle. And then for this side, I didn't know what I was going to do, so I'm just winging it here. Try to do this like twist, and then rubber band it to keep it from untwisting. And then I tried this folding back, making a fabric flower type of deal. And rubber banding that so that it doesn't come undone. because you gotta secure everything so that nothing comes undone in the dye. And there we go, into the dye. Then that stays in there for some hours, depending on how dark you want it. And then out of the dye it goes. And time for the reveal. And this is where the magic moment happens. Yay! Look at that. Looking pretty even. And the sports bra. Looks nice. And the other side. Perfect. And then our experimental garment. Alright, yeah, so that came out looking pretty much like the sports bra and leggings. And let's see what happened on this side. Okay. I'm gonna unfold it so we can see the whole front. So this is how tie-dyeing goes. You just kind of try different things, see what it ends up looking like. Okay, so this is after it's been washed and rinsed and cured and fixed. The final product. You can see the color got lighter, but it's pretty bright still. I'm actually really liking how this tank top turned out. I call this round a success.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see what else I'm gonna do, subscribe to this channel and go visit my website.